The integrations is really critical for us, fundamentally, because like I said, some learners will come into Instruqt through our learning management system. Some will come directly into Instruqt and bypass the content completely, which is completely okay. Some people start with a skills-based experience and come into Instruqt that way. So having that ability to enter Instruqt in different ways is really important. So you all have a really good architecture in terms of just the richness of the APIs and connectivity, and that's been huge for us. The other thing I've been really pleased with is just the ability to manage the environments in an efficient way. So whether it's spinning up environments, bring them down, and just being very optimal and efficient about how we use environments has been a really important piece in terms of the technology that we were looking for. That's a second piece that works really well. The third thing I would say is that we're really big about the UI. Having something that's very visually appealing, where you can actually see the product and play with it, but at the same time learn instructions on the side is very important. So that ability to learn while you're doing is something, or learning in the flow of work, if you will, is really important. And so I felt like the UI that you have is really good. And then the last thing I'll say about this is that, for us, the word hands-on labs is a very generic word. All it means in simple language is that we want you as a learner to access our product and work directly in the product. But what you do with it could be a lot of different things. Something could be very simple, a simple coding example. Something else could be more sophisticated, like a use case, for example, or some kind of an architecture, or maybe something in the vertical market space, something for financial services or healthcare or whatever. So the ability to have that versatility was really important, to provide different use cases and different scenarios in one tool. So for us, I would say that it's that combination of things that really got us to choosing Instruqt.